Hello friends, this is Sukhwant Singh. Yesterday, that is 5th of July 2021, CBSE has sent a circular to all the schools, which is numbered 51, academic 51, 5th July 2021. This is about conducting board exam in two different terms. The first term will be conducted somewhere in November, and the second term will be conducted in March. You all know that due to COVID-19, due to the lockdowns, the studies have got affected, and the last batch of 10th and 12th were not able to attend classes. And because of that, the board exams also had to be cancelled. So keeping that in mind, CBSE has come out with this solution. Few of you have been inquiring from me that has the board decided to conduct two different boards? Let me make it very clear. This will not be two different board exams. The board has decided to conduct 10th and 12th under a semester scheme. So the exams will be conducted in two terms. If everything goes well, if the classes are allowed, meanwhile, board has permitted that online classes should go on as they were going in all the schools till the local administration permits the schools to conduct offline classes. If only online classes will be going on, then throughout the session, 3 weekly tests, or you can say short tests will be conducted, and besides those 3 tests, these 2 terms will also be conducted. Board has given 4 different alternatives according to this circular. What are those four different options? Option number 1, where the board is in a position to conduct both the terms offline or online. The first option is where the board is in a position to conduct both the tests in offline mode. The first term will be conducted for 90 minutes and the second term will be conducted for 2 hours. In this case, 50% weightage will be given to both the terms for the calculation of your final results. Second option will be where, for certain reasons, the first term is conducted and second term is not conducted. The second term is conducted online and the first term is conducted offline. In that case, the first term weightage will be more than the second term mode. The third option is where the second term is conducted and the first term is not conducted. Under that case, wherever the offline mode is conducted, that is second term is conducted, the weightage will be more than the online mode of the first term. And last option, the fourth option is, if both the cases exams are not held in the offline mode, then weightage will be given to all the internal assessments also, the projects that will be conducted and the practicals that will be conducted. So these 4 options are there. I hope you all will give you all will attend your classes, and whichever formative assessments will be conducted by your teachers, you will take them all seriously and appear in them. Another thing which I would like to highlight on the basis of this circular is for each child, the schools are going to make a profile in which all the marks that you'll be scoring, whatever practicals you'll be attending, their grades will be shared with CBSE. CBSE is going to play a very vital role in this. The IT help is going to be provided by CBSE to all the schools, where the profiles will be created by CBSE and teachers are going to be trained to handle these profiles. So coming days, whatever is going to be taught to you in the school and whichever tests you are going to appear, even if it is in the online mode or offline mode, all records will be maintained. The digital records will be maintained by the schools, and in offline mode, another thing which I would like to add finally is you will be appearing with the OMR sheets. OMR sheets, the schools will be required to evaluate them on the same day, either through OMR evaluating machines. If OMR machines will not be available, then teachers have to evaluate them on their own and upload the marks on the same day. So all these things are going to happen. There's no need to, finally I would again like to conclude by saying that you don't have to worry. Try to be regular in your studies, and those who are regular, they can remain relaxed and not to worry what will happen to their future, because if you are regular, it will pay on its own. Thank you so much.